bird's eye chili.
Right.
Bird's eye. It's the market.
Okay,
Wherever you
spicy.
see around when you walk here, all over the market, when you see chili, small and spicy. This is my technique. When you fry to cook first, and now the second one that we smash, we put it in. Smell it. When you roll up, you make sure that this one is straight, same line. Separate the noodle until the sauce dry. Add egg. There's a technique of egg, how to make not scrambled egg. Yeah.